Driving in Doha every day is not easy. Hot weather and long driving can affect your car very fast. Every driver in Qatar should know these important car care tips. Always check your engine oil regularly. Low engine oil can damage your engine and repair cost will be very high. Use good quality engine oil for better performance. Check your brake pads frequently. Brake problems are very dangerous, especially on highways. If you hear sound while braking, check your car immediately. Battery problems are very common in Qatar because of hot weather. If your car is not starting properly, your battery may be weak. Always use a quality battery. Change air filter and oil filter regularly. Dirty filters reduce engine performance and increase fuel usage. Clean filters help your car run smoothly. In Qatar, finding spare parts is now very easy. You can buy engine parts, brake parts, filters, oil, and accessories online. Thaniparts helps drivers get spare parts fast and easy. Order online and get fast delivery in Doha and all over Qatar. Save time, save money, and fix your car faster. Always use quality spare parts. Cheap parts can damage your car and cost more later. Good spare parts keep your car safe and strong. Take care of your car. Use quality spare parts. Fix your car faster with Thaniparts.